Brahmaputra, not just a river, but an identity and pride for the people of the Northeast and the people of Assam. As I stand here on top of Gandhi Mandap with the mighty Brahmaputra right beside me, all that comes to my mind is this river might have witnessed it all, and now this river witnesses the stories of success that the youth of the nation have written with their own hands. On a number of occasions, we come across news reports where young people doing well in the field of science or sports or any other field that makes them famous grabs our attention. But we should also realize the fact that there are many other hidden, young, talented entrepreneurs or professionals who are doing their bit to take this country forward. In this very special program, Ye India Ka Time Hai, we will try and showcase some of the successful stories of the youth of the nation who have done their bit in taking this country forward. In our first destination in this journey, we came across a very talented and creative entrepreneur and photographer, Shubhanjan Bordoloi, who has set up his startup named White Light Studio and is successfully executing his projects in a variety of fields from fashion to events to audiovisual content as well. However, contrary to that, he never thought in his life that he will become a photographer. But there's a small story behind that. Let's hear it from him.
I never thought in my life that I'll become a photographer. Firstly, when I was doing my graduation, I went with my friends to Dharamshala. He was carrying a camera. That was the first time I handled a DSLR camera, and from that moment I started realizing that I had to go with photography because that really attracted me, and I started clicking after that and started taking courses under professionals.
All of this was not done overnight. He took professional training, assisted many people, and worked hard before he started his own startup.
Once I bought my camera, I started assisting a renowned fashion photographer from Guwahati. After that, I went to Mumbai to learn the lighting skills and techniques from FX School. And after I came back to Guwahati, I started with my studio setup, and from then on, it's going on.
Shubhanjan and many other photographers have benefited from the latest booming developments in the internet network connectivity. Let's hear it from him what he feels about it.
After the online thing has started up, everything has been very easy for photographers to communicate with the common people. They get to see our works. From then on, they come to us, approach us for their shoots. It really takes lots of patience because in this competitive industry, you have to be really good at your work. Then only people will come to you, and that's how your market will grow.
Modeling is something wonderful. It gives us a wonderful platform to express ourselves, bring out the real us by exploring different characters, different clothes. We get to represent our culture so vibrantly. So I think this is something wonderful. Whatever career we choose, even in our personal life, we have different risks. So taking up a risk is something we should take it very positively, and we should work on it and give our 100%. It is just about the thinking. If you think positively, the things will turn out to be positive gradually.
The startup by Shubhanjan has not only helped him earn his livelihood, but also helped many others involved in the industry get projects and assignments.
I get to work with many models, various designers, makeup artists, stylists, hairdressers. They are a very important part in the shoot because their efforts, their creativity, it helps the photographer bring the best out in the picture. this is an industry where we all get to work together and we are really happy family.
We salute the zeal of entrepreneurship which is transforming our nation and making India shine.